This roasted pumpkin quinoa salad is warm, golden, and sweet-savoury. Caramelized squash and crispy chickpeas over fluffy quinoa in a nutty dressing. Roast squash, shallots, and chickpeas with paprika and honey, then fold through quinoa, mixed greens, and sweet dates. Toss squash wedges, shallots, and chickpeas on a lined tray with olive oil, paprika, honey, salt, and pepper. Roast at 210 to 220 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes until everything is deep golden and caramelized. Cook the quinoa alongside until fluffy. It's the warm, nutty base for the salad. Toast the sesame seeds, then whisk them into a dressing with oil, cider vinegar, soy, Dijon, and honey. Pile quinoa, greens, and dates onto a platter, crown it with the warm roasted veg, and pour over the sesame dressing. Serve it warm with extra sesame. The full printable recipe is linked below. Give it a try, and I'll see you in the next one, lovelies.